By December 2026, two versions of you can exist. One looks back and says, I wasted another year, 2027 will be my year, and the other quietly won. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Only 8% of people keep their New Year's resolutions. Not because they're lazy, but because they play the wrong game. But you're the main characters, and main characters don't waste their time playing the wrong game. Today I'll show you the exact system the main character uses to outperform everyone. Miss this, and you'll repeat the same year forever. Most videos tell you to set goals and stay motivated. That's cute, but that's also useless. Motivation is emotional sugar, short-term energy, long-term collapse. That's why January feels powerful and March feels empty. Ayanokoji never relies on motivation. He builds systems that work even when he feels nothing. If you're waiting to feel ready, you already lost. Close your eyes. It's December 2026. Where are you now? What does your average day look like? Who do you spend time with? If you can't answer that, stop watching productivity and self-improvement videos when you don't even know what you want. You're collecting tools with no destination. Here's the fix. Set 3 outcome goals only. Not 10, not 20. 3, for example, academic mastery, physical strength, and 1 leverage skill. Now, reverse engineer them. Not, I want to top exams, but daily revisions, weekly tests, and 0 short-form distractions. Shikamaru never jumps directly into battle. He maps the terrain first. So should you. Here's a lie nobody warns you about. You think achieving your goals will make you happy. Psychology calls this the arrival fallacy. We're terrible at predicting how future outcomes will make us feel like. Instead of setting goals you don't want, set goals that you truly want. Like, you don't really want 6-pack abs, but you don't want to be alone. You don't want to be a millionaire CEO, but you don't want to feel powerless. Obito didn't change because of a goal. He changed because his identity shifted. So stop asking, what do I want to achieve? Ask yourself, what do I want to become? Make intentional goals, not traditional goals, because the problem with traditional goals is that they are mostly inherited from family, friends, peers, and pop culture. You don't truly want them, but other people want them, and make you feel that you want it too. Another problem with traditional goals is they make you feel empty after it has been achieved. Like, suppose you made a goal to write a book and publish it. Even if you don't achieve it, or if you do achieve it, the feeling will still be the same. Now what? So you should rather set goals like become a better writer and be the truest to yourself. So, here's a simple daily system that actually works. First thing in the morning, lock in your identity. Wake up, drink some water, move your body a little, and then write 3 morning pages in your journal. After that, take a look at your vision board. Your brain honestly believes what it sees over and over again. You can even put your vision board as your wallpaper. And just in case you're wondering, a vision board is basically a collection of images on a single page that's all about your goals. It's meant to keep you motivated to keep working. Look, 90% of low energy comes down to dehydration, 0 movement, and poor sleep. So fix your biology before you even think about fixing your mindset. You should go on a media diet. Seriously, short-form content is your enemy. It trains your brain to quit early. Think about it. Anime characters don't scroll, they train. So cut out the junk input and fill that space with high-quality media, like books and self-improvement videos like this one. So here's the thing. Hard work caps out fast. Smart characters, they use leverage. There's this concept called the 4 C's of leverage from Dan Martell's video. That's code, content, capital, and collaboration. Leverage. It multiplies your effort. Think about it. Ayanokoji doesn't fight harder. He just positions better. Use systems that automate and delegate tasks and, stack 2 things or more together. That's really how you get the most out of your time. Habits don't stick just because you try harder. They stick because, honestly, the environment forces them. Keep your gym bag ready. Make sure your study desk is clean. Hide your phone during deep work. Act, talk, and move like your future self, the one you want to be. Do it before the results show up. That's the delusion, right? But that's identity engineering. December 2026 is coming whether you prepare or not. The question isn't, will you succeed? It's, which version of you shows up? Build systems. Cut out all noises. Train daily. The quiet ones win.